Question 9. Describe how the pH of antacid, that is an Acto tablet, can be determined in the laboratory. Crush the tablet with molten pistol. Add water, stir to dissolve. Add the universal indicator. Match the color with that of the pH chart to determine the pH. Question 10a. A student electroplated a spoon with copper metal. Write an equation for the reaction at the cathode. Calculate the time in minus required to deposit of copper in a current of was used. Question 11. When steam was passed over heated charcoal as shown in the diagram below, hydrogen gas and carbon were formed. Write a balanced equation for the reaction which takes place in the combustion tube. Name two uses of which are also the uses of hydrogen gas reducing agent together with oxygen is used as fuel. Question 12. A given sample of ink is a mixture of red dye, blue dye and orange dye. The blue dye is least absorbed than the rest and the red dye is the most sticky. Complete the paper chromatogram below showing their separation. The above dyes are soluble in water. Describe how a pure sample of blue dye can be obtained. Wash in the chromatogram with plenty of water and then evaporate to obtain the dye. Name the solvent used in paper chromatography. Propanol. Question 13. In an experiment to investigate the conductivity of substances, a student used the setup shown below. The student noted that the bulb did not light. What had been omitted in the setup? Source of heat. B. Explain why the bulb lights when the omission is corrected. The solid melts to form these mobile ions conduct electric current, then the bulb lights. The results of an experiment determine the solubility of potassium chlorate in water were as follows: mass of dish plus saturated solution, mass of dish plus solid potassium chlorate after evaporation to dryness. Calculate the mass of saturated solution containing 60 grams of water at 30 degrees. Question 15. Give the systematic names of the following compounds. This is dimethyl propane. And this is pentane. Describe a chemical test that can be carried out in order to distinguish between so you add acidified solution to both separately. Will change purple acidified colorless, and bromine water changes from yellow to colorless. Acidified potassium dichromate changes to orange to green. Draw a label diagram showing the atomic structure state the Gay-Lussac's law. When gases react, they do so in volumes which bear simple whole number ratio to one another and to the volume of products if gaseous, when temperature and pressure remains constant. Of gaseous, hydrocarbon reacted completely with. Determine the formula of the hydrocarbon given that all volume of gases were measured under the same condition of temperature and pressure.